So if you're like me and have an addiction to gadgets, you'll probably end up with a bunch of these useless tablets. And tablets are useless to me, for the most part, because they're either a large smartphone that's super fragile that you can't make phone calls with, or they're like a portable laptop PC that's too fragile to take out of the house. Enter the Hotwave R10 Pro, which is what we have here. Now, this isn't some high-end tablet. It's not a gaming tablet. It's just your basic tablet, but it has one key difference. Here's some specs to show you how basic this thing is. It's not, you know, high-end, but the next bit of specs are what you're going to want to look for, because it solves all those other issues of all the other tablets. This thing is a beast. IP68, IP69K, and MilSpec 810H. That means you can wash this in your dishwasher, you can throw it off a cliff, and it's probably going to be okay. And then also it comes from Hotwave, and Hotwave knows a thing or two about making rugged devices. And look at this, comes with a hand strap, comes with a screwdriver to install the hand strap, comes with this, I think it's a 10-watt charging block, comes with, those are just screws to mount the strap, but a little USB cable and a big USB cable, all this extra stuff in an affordable package. Why don't the big boys who charge hundreds more for their tablets include this stuff? Because they're cheap. So as I install the strap on this, let me tell you about Hotwave. I did a review on one of their phones recently and really fell in love with the thing because of how it's built. You hear that? That's not just like a textured back. That's super grippy. It's almost like soft sandpaper is what it kind of feels like, or rubbery sandpaper. Like even without installing this hand strap, you're not going to drop this thing. And I like these orange accents on the back. I actually take my remote controls and paint them, like for the TV, I paint them white so I can see them in a dark room. So if this tablet's sitting face down, you'll see those orange accents. And it kind of has that Harley-Davidson vibe. I like it. Oh, look! The screwdriver's magnetized. Way to go, Hotwave. I wish it was branded. That'd be even better. But see, Hotwave, they know a thing or two about ruggedized devices. They're really good at it. This screen is slightly recessed. The corners of the housing are raised above the screen, so it's going to protect the screen. Has a 13 megapixel shooter on the front, or on the back, 5 on the front. And this thing retails for like, I don't know, 180. I'll put the prices in here. And I'm going to use this actually as a cell phone. Look at that. Needs to be a little tighter. I'm going to use this as a cell phone for a couple of weeks, and I'm going to take it camping and hiking, and we're going to take pictures and videos with it. I'm going to use it like I would any other tablet, and I'm going to come back here in a few days and I'm going to tell you all about it. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, and in the meantime, tell me what you use your tablet for so that I can try it on this thing and see how it works. Love yins. Bye.